Welcome to this wonderful, beautifully upgraded bungalow in Lynnwood, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. You're going to want to take this tour with me at 8602 158th Street Northwest in Edmonton, Alberta, where this property is ready for you to own and call your own. It has been freshly painted and beautifully maintained and is situated on an 861 square meter pie-shaped lot with stunning landscaping. It is got numerous upgrades inside and out, and it features 3 spacious bedrooms on the main floor. Bright and airy, it has new windows and a new roof, and has had new siding and tons of money spent on its stunning landscaping. Solid oak cabinets, a sunny kitchen with a kitchenette, as well as a dining space. This property has its original hardwood from 1960 and has a lovely bay window and is east facing on the front and a lovely west facing backyard. Moving on through the spacious bedrooms, you'll notice the stunning vinyl plank flooring and how spacious each bedroom is. Oversized windows, letting in tons of natural light. This property has been maintained and loved by one owner and has a nicely appointed 4-piece bathroom on the main floor. Moving on down, you'll find that the fully finished basement is perfect for a growing family. There's also a side entrance if you wanted to put in a suite. It has a spacious living room, recreation room. That there used to be a bedroom at the back of the recreation room that can be reframed in if you need a 5th bedroom. The windows are oversized and egress sized in the basement, and it has a high efficiency furnace as well as hot water on demand and tons of storage. The lovely landscaping in the backyard has stamped concrete, has beautiful perennials and an oversized single garage, but plenty of room for RV parking. Move up into this property and call this yours today. Karen Stanker with Remax, thanks for joining me. Lynnwood is a west community that is increasing in value and is sought after as the LRT expansion continues in Edmonton. Buy this today and follow your investment as it grows. Thanks for joining me.